Welcome. In this video we will see how to modify an existing booking. So from the bookings tab in the dashboard you select and locate the booking you want to modify. For example, this one, you click it and then you have the important information here on the top: booking number, from where, who did it, how it's the amount of the price. Here in the payment status it says unpaid. When the booking will be finished, you click here and you select mark as paid with one of these options. Again, an overview of the booking, the buyer's detail. You can edit some of the information here like name and email, and here at the bottom you have all these important functions. If you want to send a message, to add bookings, you can send a message. On the add booking notes, you can add or modify the existing notes of the booking and then save. On the alter booking, you can change some of the information of the booking, like for example you can change it to a new offer or a new date from here, and then you go and alter booking. Please note that you cannot change the price as soon as everything is complete. On the cancel booking, you can cancel the booking by having a message here on the guest. Then you select all the tickets, you go cancel booking, you put on the refund as money and then refund it by credit card or cash or whatever, and then confirm cancellation.